What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, and I just wanted to do a quick Cloverhealth update today because I was on fintel.io a little while ago and I saw something pretty crazy. But first, let's get to the charts. Down 20 cents on the day, so fairly flat. It looks like this thing is just getting pushed farther down a little bit. RSI sitting at 53, not too bad. MACD lines are just about touching. Nothing really going on there. So let's go over to fintel.io. And where is it? Right here. So this is the short shares availability. 0 fucking available shares left to short. I tried to do some digging on this to see what the hell the reason for this is, why there are 0 shares available to short. There is the short borrow fee rate is not applicable because there's no shares left to short. Alright, so this is more or less what I found. This is the best explanation for this. A post by Stonk Cobain. And it says, Clov is being naked shorted today, even with 0 shares left to short. It's a follow-up to another post on 0 shares left to short on Fintel. So imagine, folks, there are 0 shares left to short, and Clov is getting shorted today. This is a prime definition of naked shorting. Since naked shorting is illegal, the firms and banks who are naked shorting Clov today should be investigated and have their licenses suspended and revoked. We all know fines are just a drop in the ocean for these greedy, filthy firms. If the SEC just investigates the trades between 9:45 and 10:20 a.m., they will get enough evidence of naked shorting. We can all see this happening. Why cannot the SEC? So right here, boom. Boom, boom. Fucking naked, nudie shorting. Yeah, so I think what it actually is strong ad 6483. They could also be dumping shares they already loaned. Yes. Yeah, so delivered shares being short sold later than they were borrowed is legal and fine to do. Now that they're dumping their shorts and after that they have nothing, they're going to start buying. What's making Clov go further than to the moon? Question. Yes, but only if retails hold. All right, so here's another good example, or good explanation of this. So the shorts are borrowing shares from a broker, but that doesn't mean they have to use it right away. They can sit on those shares waiting for an important moment and then start dumping them onto the market, especially, for example, to save their quarter. The hole they're digging is becoming bigger because at one point they have to return the shares and thus buy them back. But when the stock loses momentum, which is what they're hoping for, they can short it into the ground. So this is probably what is going on. The hedgies that have been sitting on some shorts for a rainy day are using that on said rainy day, which could be turning out to be today, to try and kind of save their red quarters, because all these hedgies, they want to keep pumping out profits quarter after quarter, month after month, year after year. So we could be seeing the fruits of that coming to fruition here. Still down around 20 cents. Again, I'm going to do some more digging on this for you guys. And as always, please be sure to be subscribed to the channel for more updates on Clov, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.